Hello, and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. Here on the FETCH.AI chart, we are starting on the larger time frame, and we take a look at the chart from an Elliott wave point of view. It's a sentiment-based analysis method, so it tells us where market sentiment likely shifts and what the key levels are, where, for example, a bullish scenario transforms into a bearish scenario, purely based on an understanding of what market sentiment is in different areas or let's say layers of market sentiment. So we are still in an overall potentially bullish scenario, and you can see that the larger time frame suggests that in the white scenario, which is one of the roadmaps that Elliott wave allows us to identify, the price should move higher in a fifth wave. This is what we would like to see in the coming months, one more high into the region of $6.22 or higher. Why this level? Because this is the 100% extension level, and it is an ideal target for this C wave. Important is to understand that in such a pattern to the upside, which we call a diagonal structure, we don't want to see a sustained break below the 61.8 retracement. So we want to avoid such a break below, in this case, the 52 cent level. Any break below 52 cents will not invalidate the white scenario, but it will make the yellow scenario much more likely. And this means at that point, the yellow scenario, if we get a decisive break below 52 cents, it will become the preferred scenario. In this case then, the price could test the 20 cent area, 20 cents, maybe even 10 cents in this yellow scenario in a much larger C wave. So there is one key level which helps us distinguish between bullish momentum and bearish momentum. Bullish to the upside and the bearish one down. But then from here it has another chance to reverse to the upside. I would say now let's take a look at the smaller time frame for FET. And what you can see here on the smaller time frame is that the price on the 3rd of February joined many other cryptocurrencies in this sector-wide sell-off. So we had this rapid sell-off on that day. It happened overnight and it was very, very fast. And a lot of cryptocurrencies moved deep into their relevant support levels and then quickly, very quickly, saw a recovery. A very, very rapid, swift recovery. Also, FET saw that rally to the upside. But since then, many other cryptocurrencies, including FETCH.AI, stayed below that level. So what we now need to see is a break above this swing high from the 3rd of February, which is here in this case located at 89 cents. Which means that we need to see a break above to indicate and confirm actually that a more substantial low formed on the 3rd of February. Because once we get a break below support here, which is at 65 cents on the smaller time frame, it becomes much less probable that the price has actually formed a low on the 3rd of February. In that case then, a test of the 52 cent level will become important. And as I showed you on the larger time frame, any break below this level will change the overall chart, most likely. So I would say on the smaller time frame, I can consider that a low has formed on that 3rd of February, which was a Monday. But I just don't have any evidence for it. And without evidence, it is simply speculation. And the chart is very much at risk of forming another low. Now, one more low wouldn't necessarily be a major problem, as long as the price can hold above this 52 cent level. This is really, really important. And the golden ratio level, the 61.8 retracement level, is also generally quite an important level. So yeah, and should the bulls maybe over the coming trading sessions drive the price above the green line, then the next one will be around the corner, and it is at $1.09. This would be the next key level to watch above, once the bulls can take the price above this green line at 88.9 cents. So at the moment, it's a bit of a waiting game. We have to be patient. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.